Hello everyone. Welcome back again in Python series. In previous video we have seen, what is Python, why you should learn Python. In today's video we will continue our Python series. So let's start with installation. Just open your browser, type python.org in search box and press enter. It will open Python's official website. And you will see a download tab. Click on it. As we know, Python is cross-platform, so it's available for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. Choose your operating system and download Python. After your download completed, go to your download folder, double-click on exe file, it will open installation window, click on add to path, then click on install now. I'm not going to install it because I just installed before this video. After installation completed, click on Close. Now it's time to verify if Python successfully installed in our system. Just open your command prompt, type Python, press enter. You will see output like this with your Python version. If you face any issue, comment in comments section, I will guide you. Now it's time to run our first Python program, which is Hello Python. Let's print Hello Python. There is so many code editor like VS Code, PyCharm, Sublime Text, etc. available. You can download any one from their official website and install in your system. Installation process would be the same as we installed Python. For now I will use Sublime Text Editor. Open your text editor, create a new file extension should be .py. This is second tutorial for this Python playlist. So I have created second_2.py. We use print function to print Hello Python. Now let's run this Python file to see the output. To run this file, open command prompt, type Python space file name, which is second_2.py. Now we can see the output. So we have successfully installed Python and created our first Python program. That's it for this video. We will continue this tutorial in next video. You can bookmark the Python tutorial playlist so you can find all video easily. And if you're new on this channel, please subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.